Mrs. Johnson. I am the white classroom. Welcome to my room. Come on in. Here's a little shot of our classroom. When you come in the first day, you'll have to find your desk. Okay. Just so you know what I look like without my mask, I will be wearing the same outfit on the first day of school with my bumblebees. Okay, so you can look for that and you'll know who I am. Parents, just a couple of notes for you. Please make sure your child knows how to get home on the first day of school and then after that. There will also be in their backpacks coming home a bunch of forms the first day. One packet of forms you will need to sign and return back to school. The others you can keep at home. Parents, also please send a water bottle with your child to school, as we do not have water fountains at school. Parents, also, if you would like to send a snack to share with the classroom, it must be sealed in a package. That would be great. Also, parents, please don't forget that picture day will be coming up that first week of school as well. Nice to meet everyone. See you on the first day.